Stop cutting your vegetables like this and use this instead. No more need to cut your cucumbers like this, when now you can do it like this. If you haven't heard of this yet, this is the 8-in-1 Pro Series Ultimate Chopper, Slicer, and Spiralizer. And this thing is absolutely amazing with all of the different attachments that it comes with. It's like never ending, all the different blades that you get to make different cuts. Look at all these things, some really super tiny ones and some different shapes and sizes. And then you got stuff for grating things, even like cheeses. You can grate cheese with this thing. You can slice a bunch of different stuff. So many different attachments and some safety devices as well to be able to save your fingers, of course. That's always great. And then this is the spiralizer too. So you get a ton of stuff with this kit right here. And man, it is a great. Want one of these? I've left the link right there at that orange shopping cart. Grab yourself one today.